Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can manage accounts payable in Sage Intacct, so let's get started. Managing accounts payable in Sage Intacct helps you keep track of vendor bills, due dates, and outgoing payments all in one place. To begin, open the Accounts Payable module from the main menu. Here you can view your vendors, bills, payments, and account balances. The first step is to add your vendors if they haven't already been created. Once your vendors are set up, you can enter vendor bills by selecting Bills and choosing Add. Fill in the vendor details, invoice number, invoice date, due date, and the amount owed, then assign the appropriate GL account or expense category before saving the bill. After bills are entered, you can review all outstanding invoices and monitor their payment status. Sage Intacct makes it easy to sort bills by due date, vendor, or amount, helping you prioritize payments and avoid late fees. When it's time to pay a bill, open the Payments section and create a new payment. Select the vendor, choose the invoices you want to pay, enter the payment method, and verify the payment amount. Once everything is correct, post the payment to update your accounting records automatically. You can also apply vendor credits to reduce outstanding balances, manage partial payments, and review payment history whenever needed. This gives you complete visibility into your accounts payable process. In addition, Sage Intacct provides built-in reports that let you monitor unpaid bills, vendor balances, payment activity, and cash flow. Reviewing these reports regularly helps you stay organized and make informed financial decisions. By keeping your vendors updated, recording bills accurately, processing payments on time, and reviewing reports, you can efficiently manage your entire accounts payable workflow in Sage Intacct. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.